Good morning, you guys. It's shift 2 of 2, so let's drive to work. I'm gonna record a shift recap when I get to work, but we basically had like one patient that was super sick on the unit. I mean, everyone's obviously sick because they're in the ICU, but one that was actively needing a lot of attention. And so I spent the majority of my time helping out pretty much in one room. And some shifts it's just like that. Some shifts I help mostly one nurse, and some shifts I try to help every nurse. I think that's one hard thing as charge nurse is you can have so many different things that need to get done and you want to be able to help everybody, but sometimes there's other things that take priority. I guess that's like that for bedside nursing as well, but when I work as charge, I feel that like astronomically more because now I'm not just looking after my own patient or two, I'm looking after 20 plus patients. Yesterday we had, I think 9 out of the 11 nurses were travelers, which honestly, they were all super good travelers. If you work in the nursing world, you know that like travelers can be some of the most amazing nurses, but they also can be some of the like not good nurses. But they were honestly like super good and just like knew what they were doing. And one of the travel nurses actually came up to me and she's like, I thought I recognized you from somewhere, like I had worked with you, and then I realized I knew you from TikTok. It's always fun when people recognize me. Honestly, I would rather people come up and say something to me, that way I know that you like know who I am. I don't know, like that sounds weird to say it that way. Like I am just a regular girl, regular nurse. Like when I'm at work, I'm at work. I'm not trying to like promote my TikTok or anything like that. But I do always appreciate when people come up to me so I can say hi and just like make it just more of a normal thing, because truly I have realized as I get older, I really don't like to be center of attention. Anyways, enough about that. And also shout out to Melissa, because you were a great nurse and she was the one that recognized me. And if you're watching this, hello.